Hello everybody, how are you doing today? مرحبا بالجميع. So our lesson for today is about wishes. So we have three situations when we talk about wishes. عندنا ثلاث حالات نتعامل معها عندما نتعامل مع هذا درس التمني wishes. So the first case, it's wish or if only plus simple past or past simple. wish it means if only، يعني wish هي تعني if only، عندهما نفس المعنى. So we use wish plus simple past when we are talking about present situations. For example, they wish they were on holiday. If only we were on holiday، يعني هم يتمنوا لو كانوا في عطلة، ولكن في الحقيقة هم ليسوا في عطلة الآن. لهذا عندنا الفعل مصرف في past. The verb is conjugated in the simple past. This is verb to be in the past tense. He wishes he knew how to swim، يعني هو يتمنى لو كان يعرف كيف يسبح. في الحقيقة هو لا يعرف السباحة. So here we have wish plus simple past. The past of now is new, guys. Let's move to the second situation, in which we have wish plus would plus infinitive. This is about the future. For example, she wishes he would come. If only he would come، يعني هي تتمنى لو أنه يأتي، وفي الحقيقة لن يأتي. This is just a wish. When we have a wish about the future, we have wish or if only plus would plus infinitive، يعني الفعل هنا في الأصل في infinitive غير مصرف. الحالة الثالثة, the third case, when we are talking about the past, we have wish or if only plus past perfect tense. And past perfect tense we have had plus past participle. يعني كيف نكون ال past perfect سيكون في درس آخر إن شاء الله، وهو had plus past participle. For example, he wishes he hadn't eaten so many cakes at tea time، يعني هو يتمنى لو لم يأكل الكثير من الحلويات في وقت الشاي، وهو في الحقيقة أكل الكثير، لذلك هو يتمنى عكس الوضعية. دائما في الconditional type 3 والwishes نتخيل عكس الوضعية التي نعيشها. Another example. So if only he had time to visit all the museums. So there are three situations, guys. To summarize, to sum up، لنختم أو نلخص، عندما يكون عندنا الحاضر نقوم ب wish or if only plus simple past. المستقبل wish or if only plus would plus infinitive. الماضي wish or if only plus past perfect. So there are three situations. In the exam we need to know which situation do we have. We need to understand whether we are talking about the present, the past, or the future. Okay guys, we have finished our class for today. If you like this video, please do like and share the video, and the coming video perhaps will be about reported speech or passive voice. Thank you very much. Have a nice time and goodbye.